Alright everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Once again, I got Carlos on the phone right here, and we're gonna install a mod on his Q60 Red Sport real quick. And here he is. Do a little pull. Yeah, I'm calling the cops. I can't tolerate that stuff. I'm gonna call the cops on you, bro. Get out my hood. I'm kidding. What's up, homie? Yeah, hella nasty. I saw what you did right there. Alright, show us what you got. Take it out. Got my baby parked. Oh, oh no, the birds. God damn. Oh, come on. How did they even poop? Oh, still kind of clean. How did the birds get it, bro? Makes no sense. Alright, here we got a little, I forgot what they're called. It's for the, like, it goes on the glass right here. I want to say rear spoiler, but I know it has a different name. But why is it like this? I mean, it was a good deal for the price. The quality is cool, but I thought it'd actually be a piece. But I guess it'll be more durable. I mean, it doesn't matter. 3M tape. It's like a piece of rubber. Alright, let's install it real quick. Yeah, that's funny, Amazon. Hey, best, cheapest mod for the Red Sport. Alright guys, there we have it. Honestly, that's so, man, my camera's in the way. Let's go on this side. For how much did this cost you?
I think it was $30.
$30 for the price? It's a cool mod. I mean, I don't really think other companies make anything for this. It's just an add-on. Definitely not much people are gonna have it, but it looks good.
Price.
Yeah. So, best, cheapest mod you can do to Q60 Red Sport. Yes?
Not base.
Not base, not base. Okay, tell me in the comments below what you guys think. Is it a cool mod? Is it ricer?
Is it cheap?
Is it cheap? Is it perfect, subtle? Me, I think it's subtle, because I don't think they make anything for like the rear window like that for this car. So definitely a touch. Once you get some more parts, it's gonna settle in more with those parts. But yeah, super easy to install. It took us like 5 minutes. Just had to cut it up and make sure we got it on right, and just hold it down for a couple minutes, and it's on perfectly. So there you have it. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll post the link to that in the description below. So what you gotta tell them?
Looks good. Looks nice.
Yeah. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace.